15 hundredths of a second earlier than Von, celebrating her very first Super G win on the World Cup Tour. A wonderful moment for her and the crowd of supporters amassed around the finish area.
It's really nice. I don't know. It's incredible. I was in the finish and I was like, yeah, right. In 5 minutes I will wake up and there will be like bad weather and snow and I don't know. Yeah, this was almost the toughest season I ever had. And I had tough seasons. I was sick and then Lake Louise and then I was sick again and then I ended the house and I crashed in winter. It was crazy. And then yesterday I was just like, I don't know. I was so down and now I don't know what to say. It's crazy. This sport is crazy. What can you say?
But let's just step back a second. California's Julia Mancuso, starting with the early number 9, achieved a clean run down the course and retained the lead for nearly 20 minutes until the arrival of Lindsey Vonn, to then finish the day in 3rd place. A perfect way to confirm the outstanding Olympic form from Vancouver, especially after having skipped the downhill to go free skiing in Verbier.
Yay! You got on the couch!
So why not miss that?
Yay!
I went free skiing in Verbier, just trying to prepare myself for the extreme.
Show off!
Get ready for that.
Say bye!
Favourites had a difficult time.
Say bye! Oh my gosh!
Especially in the lower part after setting some of the fastest intermediate times, as was the case for Anya Persson.